See, one, I'm not leaving the force, I'm with the force, and I'll always be with the force. देखिए, policeman is always a policeman, and I've been a policeman for 37 years, तो मैं तो पुलिस वाला ही रहूँगा, पहली बात है। दूसरा ये कि सारी हमारी टीम है, फोर्स है, मेरा प्यार रिगार्ड इनके लिए हमेशा रहेगा। फोर्स आज की तारीख में आई वुड से कि जैसा आपने देखा, ये काफ़िला गाड़ियों का 160 के करीब गाड़ियों का काफ़िला आज जो लॉन्च हुआ, थोड़े ही दिन पहले हम लोगों ने जो जीरो टेरर प्लान के तहत ऑपरेशन ओकैप्स के तहत गाड़ियां लिथपुरा में सेकंड फेज़ की लॉन्च करी, उससे पहले फर्स्ट फेज़ की लॉन्च करी। तो मुझे लगता है कि ये ज़रूरतें अमन की रखवाली करने के लिए है। अमन को बहाल करना अपनी जगह पे एक बहुत बड़ी चुनौती है, मगर अमन बहाल हो उसकी रखवाली करना अपने आप में उससे बड़ी चुनौती है। मुझे लगता है कि आज हम सक्षम हैं, रिसोर्सेज हमारे पास बहुत हैं, फोर्स की तादाद, फोर्स का मनोबल, फोर्स की ट्रेनिंग, हर लिहाज से हम सक्षम हैं, और मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि ये फोर्स हर चुनौती का सामना करने के लिए तैयार है। मेरे लिए ये हमेशा खुशी की बात रहेगी। वन ऑफ आवर ऑफिसर्स, he stays in that area. He had gone out and tried to have fun with the people. He was playing in a cricket ground with a team of officers. Then he got a hit from A&Es. He's injured. He's recovering. He's in the hospital. We have to be cautious. Threats are still around, and we can't take our lives so lightly. We have to be careful. We have to be cautious. And I pray that he would come out of it. See, our arrangements on the LC and the IB both are firmly in place. Kiran, I had a look, Karna had gone before this. Our troops deployed there are having very high morale, and they're covering every inch of our land. The day I went, we had an encounter in Machal area wherein 5 terrorists were killed. Today again an encounter is going on, and we will be getting the update on that case. Our troops are firmly in control of situation on the border. If you see, this year most of the encounters have taken place on the LC. They have tried to push in more numbers of terrorists this side, but our people this side have been very, very alert, fully prepared, and fully aware of the designs of our adversary. So therefore, they've been able to take care of the ill designs and neutralize most of the infiltrating terrorists on the IB. I'm sure on the LC and IB both. I'm sure our troops would be able to take care of any challenges on the border. Our border grid is very, very strong. As of now, I see it as an aberration. Our people deployed there have tried to look into the causes as to why it happened. They are still in the process of confirming, verifying. I'll not be able to comment on this beyond this. What I can say is ceasefire understanding has brought a lot of respite to the people living on the border on both sides, and that has paid good dividends, and I think that must continue. That kind of understanding must continue. Other than that, I think we will find out as to why and how it happened, and I'm sure the better understanding would prevail. I won't like to speculate. Elections or no election, they've been always trying to disturbing peace here and ensuring that the militancy continues here. But our brave force, Jammu Kashmir Police, along with the support of other forces, including the army, and to a very big extent with the support of the people, have been able to eliminate that kind of design, that kind of ill-intended actions by our adversary. And I'm sure that will continue. Elections, of course, people would be alert enough to take care of any additional challenges if they come up.